In any field of business, the primary goal is to be able to provide the needs for your clientele. However, with that comes the responsibility of performing bookkeeping, paying taxes, and managing payroll. Thankfully, there's Imposta. We are one of the few accounting firms that offer bookkeeping, tax preparation, and payroll services all in one. We help our clients simplify their bookkeeping, taxes, and payroll through our modern technology and highly competent accountants. Our user-friendly app, based on innovative technology, is designed to facilitate document and communication workflow in order to perform these tedious tasks quickly, conveniently, and accurately. By using the Imposta app, you can scan, upload, and store documents safely to your account. This eliminates the need to text, fax, email, or mail in paper copies. Your local Imposta advisor then diligently follows up and takes care of the rest. Imposta allows you to easily access your financial documents and tax records at any time with just a few clicks. All of these services come at a fair price and clear rate. Imposta lets you focus on your business for fast, convenient, and affordable financial, tax, and payroll services. Trust Imposta. Visit Imposta.com today.